Hello, my name is Chris, and today we will talk about what you need to do to ensure that your business decisions are data-driven. First, you need to formulate a question that you want to answer. This question will in turn help you decide what type of data you need to collect and where to find that data. Once you start working with your data set, it's important to remember that people can quickly be overwhelmed with numbers. As such, you need to choose a data visualization that highlights the key information in your data set. Remember, pie charts, bar graphs, line graphs are not the only ways to visualize data. Next comes the executive summary of your data analysis. First, you need to describe the context of your analysis so that people can understand why are you asking this question. Then you need to identify the most important information that you found in your data set. After that, you need to describe your data visualization. Remember to include numbers in your description to highlight the most important information. People should be able to understand your description without having to refer to your data visualization. Now comes your call to action. Based upon the data, what action do you think needs to be taken? Remember, your recommendation needs to be well researched. That means searching the internet and drawing upon your past business experiences so that you can provide a detailed recommendation of what needs to be done. In summary, business analytics provides the answer to a question with numbers that describe the most important information in a data visualization, followed by a well-researched recommendation explaining the best course of action. Thanks for your time. Now let's look at different types of data visualizations.